I'm cooking my way through the 5-ingredient diabetic cookbook for beginners. If you want to join me, it's linked below. We're going to do a recipe today for cheesy black bean breakfast quesadillas. Let's see what we need. 4 whole wheat tortillas, 1 can of low sodium black beans that have been drained and rinsed, 4 large eggs, 1 cup reduced fat cheddar cheese, and 1 cup bell pepper. It says diced. I don't like chunky things in my food, so I have put these into my food processor and crushed them because I want the flavor, but I don't want the chunks. Spray your fry pan with your cooking spray, and you're going to cook this on medium. We're going to start by sauteing our diced or crushed bell pepper. We're going to do that about 2 to 3 minutes. While I wait for that, I'm going to crack my eggs. I like to just do this step now. I could put them directly into the peppers. You can also add garlic, onion powder, any other like flavorings that you like, some cracked black pepper. Nutrition facts for this recipe are going to be 392 kcals, 28 grams of protein, 7 grams of fat, 42 grams of carbohydrates, 10 grams of fiber, and 284 milligrams of sodium. I do like the way that the peppers smell when they are cooking. I've cooked my peppers basically until all of the liquid has cooked out. Now I'm going to put in my eggs, and I will cook these until they are fully cooked, and then I'm just going to add the other 2 things. Scramble them up, all done, and I'm going to add my black beans and my cheddar cheese until the cheese is melted and the beans are warm. Beans in, cheese in. Now I'm using an electric stove, so I can turn my stove off and then just heat it up the rest of the way with that burner still warm. If you're using a gas stove, your rules are different. I honestly think mincing those vegetables up is going to make all the difference for me. My beans are warm, my cheese is melted, and now I'm going to split it into 4 equal sections on my tortillas. I decided to grab a 1/4 cup measuring cup to measure these out. I'm going to do a 1/4 cup. I'll just do a 1/4 cup on each, and then I'll go back and do more. I'm going to put it on the bottom half because we're going to fold it over and put it back in the pan to make the quesadillas. There's a 1/4 cup on each of them. Okay, so to evenly distribute, it took about a 1/2 cup each. Now we're going to fold in half, and I'm going to put it back into the skillet for about 2 minutes on each side till it's just kind of crisp. I can probably fit 2 in at a time, actually. Let's do that. Work smarter, not harder. Yeah, I'm going to get 2 in there at a time, which is nice. And flip. We're just trying to crisp it up a little bit. And flip. That's what they look like when they're done. Okay, let's give these a taste. Mincing those peppers makes all the difference to me. All the difference. So if you look at a recipe and there's something you don't like, maybe decide how you can make it fit your life and how you might like it. Because I will eat these now. I wouldn't eat them if there was something chunky in them. So they're really good. I love the flavor the pepper gives them, but I don't love the crunch. Check them out for yourself. Join me next time.